Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 22 LSB swingback with a Yamaha 150 Pontoon. This boat is in metallic silver with a smooth panel black accent. I'll get up close here so you can take a look at it. Very pretty boat. Combination goes real well with each other. Let me walk around, show you the exterior of the boat. Of course, it is the SPS package, so it's the Sport Performance package. This one will get a 150 on it. We do have it in stock. This boat can be ready for the water this weekend. We did a graphite interior with a carbon accent. We'll step aboard, take a look. We did do the Simrad digital dash in this one. Removable cockpit table there. Swing back here. This will slide back and forth, so you can lounge rear facing if you'd like. Nice stainless steel gate for closure. Co-captain's lounge with kicker speaker upgrade. Rockford PMX2 upgrade. Got the 7-inch Simrad in the dash. Absolute beautiful boat. Kicker speaker upgrade, battery, phone charger setting right there beside the speaker. Same thing on this side over here. Move out of the sun. Beautiful boat, beautiful colors. I do have about 5 of these boats in stock, different color combinations. So if this one isn't for you, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to find you one. We're again located at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. 864-236-9005. Have a great day.